Hey guys, welcome to my channel and welcome back to my channel if you're an oldie but a goodie. Today I'm excited to partner with Temu to bring you the spring cleaning video. I'm featuring some of their affordable cleaning products. And if you aren't familiar, Temu is an affordable brand that provides cleaning solutions and tools at a fraction of the price of traditional brands. They also have many other items on their site such as women's clothing, jewelry, accessories, home decor, all the things at such affordable prices. And right now with their Easter promotion, which is up to 90% off, you can save even more on their already affordable products. It's definitely one of those sites that you want to check out, so I'll have a link in the description box, but we're going to go ahead and hop into it. So I'm going to start off in the bedroom, just making the bed. This is something that I always try to do. I've preached it time and time again. I just think it's so important to make the bed daily, and it only takes a few minutes. I've actually been thinking about getting some new bedding for spring, maybe something with a pop of color, but I haven't decided quite yet. So yeah, if you guys have seen anything cute, and definitely let me know. I was thinking about doing like a green color, like a light pastel green, but yeah, right now I just have everything neutral, and this is really easy. I like neutral because you don't really have to think about it too much, and it just looks really good and fresh. So the first product from Temu that I'm going to be using are these microfiber towels. I got a pack of 10 for $1.50. Yes, $1.50. Such a great steal. And I love these towels because you can use them on so many different surfaces. Right now I'm using it to clean off our nightstands, but throughout the video you will see me use it on glass, mirrors, countertops. So this is really great, and for the price you cannot beat it. And whenever you're done using them, of course you can just throw them in the wash and you can reuse them. So I absolutely love getting these towels in bulk because they're really great for cleaning. And right now, if you're new to Temu, you can use my exclusive discount code NitraaB for an extra 30% off, and also enjoy free shipping on your first purchase. Temu also offers 90 days of free returns, and they accept almost all major credit and debit cards. They're completely safe and legit, so I would definitely check them out. You can find so many different things on their site, and you're guaranteed to find something that you like at an affordable price. And now moving on to the kitchen, I had a few dishes that I needed to wash. I decided to hand wash them just because I wanted to get them washed and put away. Does anybody else still hand wash their dishes? I feel like you hardly ever see it anymore, but sometimes it's just easier and quicker for me. So I do like to hand wash them sometimes. Now that the dishes are cleaned and put away, I'm gonna clean the countertops. I try to do this daily just because the countertops are the focal point, and whenever they look dirty, it just makes the whole space look a mess. So yeah, I just like to do this to help maintain the appearance and just keep them looking their best. And I know a lot of people, when you watch my cleaning videos, you're like, oh my gosh, your house is already so clean. But cleaning my home and having a clean home just gives me a sense of peace. So I don't like for my home to get really, really messy or dirty. Obviously, messes do happen because I have kids. So yeah, it's gonna happen. But I just mentally love to have a clean space. So it is really something that I prioritize and take time to do. So yeah, now I'm cleaning the refrigerator. We just got a new one. If you follow me on TikTok, sometime back I was telling you guys how our old one was on its last leg, so we had to get a new one. Now I'm gonna clean the hood over the stove. It had been some time since I last cleaned it, and these can get a little greasy from cooking and stuff, so I try to clean it often. I'm not gonna say regularly, but I do try to clean it often. And of course, in true NitraaB fashion, I have to light a candle. And you guys know I have been so obsessed with this lighter. I absolutely love this little electric lighter. So I have another product from Temu that I'm going to be trying out. This is the magic brush, and y'all, this was probably one of my most favorite things that I got from them. Not only is it great, but it was only $3.98. Like, such a great deal. So I'm gonna show you guys how I cleaned the sink with this, and it works really, really well. So I just used a little bit of dish detergent, and y'all, you can literally see how it was able to get all of the gunk from the edge of the sink. So the scrubber head, it spins at 360 degrees, so it makes it really easy to get off the tough stains, the grime, the dirt, all of that. And it is rechargeable, so you don't have to worry about batteries, and the 5 interchangeable heads make it very versatile, so it can be used not only to clean the sink but also the stove, the countertops, even the bathroom. So this was definitely one of my favorite finds. It made cleaning the kitchen sink super easy. So now we're gonna clean the dryer vent. This is super, super important. If you don't clean your dryer vent, please start today. So I got this little thing from Temu. You can use it for so many different things, but I thought it would be great for getting down in there and getting rid of all of that lint and debris, because it can easily accumulate over time. So this is a newer dryer, so we don't really have a lot down there because we try to do this regularly. When the dryer vent is clogged with lint and debris, it really stops the airflow, so it makes the dryer have to work harder to dry the clothes. And I also got this little vacuum from Temu. It was only $2, but I thought it would be perfect for going down in the dryer vent to just get any of that extra lint and debris. And now moving on to a little bit more of daily cleaning, just picking up some of the stuff that the boys left in the living room. Now I'm gonna clean off the coffee table. This is something that I have to do pretty often just because with kids, you know, fingerprints are always everywhere. Because no room is off limits when you have kids. Sometimes people will assume that maybe I don't let the kids come to the living room, but no, we live in all areas of our house. Yeah, so the kids do come in here, so sometimes things just, you know, they get a little messy, and that's okay because I'm gonna clean it up. So the next product from Temu I'm gonna be using is this extendable duster. This was only $6.98, and it came with 4 replaceable microfiber heads. Talk about a steal, such a steal. And this is super convenient just for hard to reach places that you need to dust and you don't want to have to pull out a ladder and all of that. This is something that everybody needs to have in their home, and for this price you cannot beat it with a stick. I love that it's extendable, so you can use it on just all the hard to reach places, in the corners, just everywhere. I absolutely love this. So yeah, this is another one that was a really, really great find, and for the price, like, it's so good. And really quickly, I'm just going over the glass on these doors. Next up is this lightweight vacuum. So I really wanted to try this out because of the price. Now, usually I like to use a cordless vacuum, but this was only $19 and I wanted to see how good it would do for the price. So although it's not cordless, it is lightweight, so it's easy to move from room to room. Temu does offer a lot of cordless vacuums on their website, so definitely check those out when you're over there. But I really wanted to try this one out just to see what it was all about, and I think for the price that it does a really great job. So I'm able to use it on the hardwood and also on the carpet, and as long as you have an outlet nearby, this is a great vacuum and a great alternative if you don't really want to spend all your coins on a cordless vacuum. I think it's a really great value for the price, and if you don't have a lot of heavy cleaning to do, then I think this vacuum is perfect for that. And that's pretty much it for this video. I was able to get some spring cleaning done thanks to Temu's fantastic and affordable products. So definitely be sure to check them out. And don't forget, you can save even more right now during their Easter sale. You can use the discount code NitraaB for an extra 30% off. And if you're a new customer, you can enjoy free shipping on your first purchase and free returns up to 90 days. So be sure to head over to their website and check it out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I will talk to you all in the next one. Bye.